They don't look cooked at all. They don't look cooked at all. Hi guys, welcome back to Mila's cooking show. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. If you like Mila's cooking shows, then you should like and subscribe for more videos. First, you're going to put 1 cup of butter in. And you need to lift the mixer up like that. So next you need 3/4 of brown sugar and 3/4 of white sugar. First, let's put in the white sugar. And then let this just blob in. You have to crack the eggs. And then put the yucky stuff in there. Then wait until it's more mixed. You have to pay attention so it doesn't get too little mixed. Next, you want vanilla. You're going to pour it in. Just be a second. Oh, yeah, that's done. And next we have 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, put it in the flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then you have to mix them all in the flour with a big spoon. You need a big spoon. You have to mix it until you can't even notice they're in there. You put in with the spoon all the flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Maybe you should do it like this. That's sometimes how I do it. But you want to put it all in first, I think. Or I know. Get all in. Now for the rest bits, just try your best to get it in by like doing this. And now we have to mix it. That's a lot. It takes a little bit for this to mix. You have to let this mix. And now we are going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips in our mixer. But first, you should take off the dough from the mixer. Now I'm going to add the chocolate chips into the mixer. 1 cup. You should get it around everywhere so it mixes in better. Because if it's in one big spot, it won't be that much mixed. Now you should turn it up to 2. So you can scrape off the dough on this. It's a little hard to do this, so you should have a spatula thingy. Now you have to put this thing down. You gotta lift it up, then twirl it, and then lift it down. And then if you want to know how the dough tastes, you should lick the thingy beater. Perfect. So now you need to take a spoon and put this in little balls. You can use your hands, but I prefer to use a spoon. You don't have to use a big spoon for this because you don't want them to be too big. You want to do about this size. You should do like a golf ball sized ball. This looks like a golf ball sized ball, so to do it like this big. And and then copy the first one to the last one. And that's how you do it. You want them not to be too close to each other, otherwise they'll grow together. And you don't want that to happen, but that's okay if it does. Because then you just have to, like, with the spatula, take them apart. And now you just gotta keep doing this. And you should make the cookies instead of just watch the video. If you like my cooking show, then you should like and subscribe for more videos. I am just gonna use my hands now. I usually do it. It's easy to make these, and any age can make these. You might need more than one pan, though. You will need more than one pan. And now you you don't do them too much, just a little bit like that. Smush them a little bit, but not that it's too much smushed. You need to spread them around now so they don't stick to each other. Put your oven to 350. The perfect time to bake these cookies is about 13 minutes. Let's put them in the oven, then do another tray. And you should probably get the glove thingy so it doesn't be too hard on your hands. You could just use water. Yeah, only for taking them out, I think. That's good. Then close it and let the cookies bake for 13 minutes. You should put a timer. Now let's make the second tray. And I really like them. They're really good because cookies are really good. You might even have to make 3 trays. That would take a little while. And I love cookies. And I just like to eat them mainly. I like how they taste. They're delicious. If you've never tried them yet and you also don't know how to make them, this is how you can learn how to. And remember, Mila's Cooking Show is the best place to bake, is the best place to learn how to bake things. Okay, second tray's done. Now you gotta do this thing. Do too strong or too much. Otherwise, they'll turn out more bigger. Yeah, smushier. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta stop it. Okay, speak. Let's take the cookies out. Ooh, they look good.
Let us know if you need help.
I got this. Cookies now on these things. And it's supposed to... This is hard to do. I just burned myself, so you guys should be very careful. Don't touch a hot tray without a hot pad. Are they good? Okay. Now I'm gonna try. I'll try this one. Are really good. You should make this recipe. But we have more cookies to bake.
Wow.
All me.
You bake these?
No one's up.
Delish.
Only the ingredients were out.
Really good.